Hello guys, in this I'm going to show you how to use the booking.com app, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So I'm sure you know that Booking is one of the best apps for booking flights, hotels, homes and cars, and you can save up some really good money using the app. After you download the app, you will see at the home page that you have some options. At the top of the screen, you have to select if you want to search for stays, flights, cars, taxi or attraction, and if you scroll down you can see some options like find your next adventure, or here you can see some blogs about traveling and so on. And you can see here that if you sign in you can save 10% or more at participating properties with a free booking.com membership. So for example, if you want to book a flight, you can see that you can select if you want a round trip, one way or multi-city trip. For example, one way, here you have to enter where you are traveling from. After that, where to, the date and the number of passengers and the cabin class. I mean, if you want economy, premium economy, business or first class. Let's click on the search, and I'm going to show you how it looks if you search for flights. You can see some options here and you can select the best option for you. You can sort by stops, duration, flight times and airlines as well. So for example, if you want to go with the first one, click on that. You will see some information about the flight, and immediately it will show the baggage details as well. Okay, let's give some time. Okay, it works. So included baggage, here you can see the baggage option or extra baggage, the cabin bag, the check bag and the prices for that. If you want to go with this flight, click on the select. Here you can see the standard ticket or flexible one, and you can read all the necessary information here. I'm not going to do that, but if you are done, click on the select. Now you will have to choose the baggage, one personal item or one cabin bag or one checked bag. And here you can see the travel protection section. Next, now you can you have to click on the next as well. Here you have to give some contact details, and you see that you have to give some details about yourself for booking the flight. But after you give the information, you just have to press the booking option or the booking button, and then you're all set. So this is how you can book a flight. But if you, for example, want to book a car, click on the car rental option at the top of the screen. Here you have to give the pickup location, the dates and the driver's age, and again you have to select the best option for you and just book your car. And at the stays option here as well, you have to enter the destination. Let's say London. Okay, the date and the rooms. I mean, if you want one room, how many adults or children, and click on the search. And here as well you will see the best options. You can filter your options or see on the map the locations, and then if you selected one of these options, you have to click on it, and you will see a bunch of information about the room. And if you are okay with the room and you like it, you have to click on the select rooms, and after that you have to click on the book the room, and then you are all set. So the booking.com app is an app that you can use for booking the best options regarding flights, rooms, cars, and so on. And it's really a good app and easy to use app, so I recommend it. And if you sign in, you will be able to save up some really good money with this app, so don't forget this as well. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.